Welcome back, guys. This is me again. Well, Comet 187, and we are gonna continue part 2 of the amazing mod showcase of Team Crafted. So bring all the items. Sorry, just file, close that, there we go. So we have Sundy's shield, Katniss, Bloody Ink set, the anti-power move, and the blue monkey banana. So we need Sundy's. Where is it? Is it Sundy's glasses? Nope, not Sundy's shield. Sundy's shield. Then we need Katniss. No idea which one that is, but I'll find it. Which one is Cat? Here we go. Butter ink set. Anti-power move.
I am back.
And the blue banana. So what you do with Sundy's shield is, what is it? Okay. Basically you need all of Sundy's ingots like this and an ender pearl. Hitting something with the shield will do plus 6 attack damage. So I don't think that really has an effect. Let's see. There, plus 6. So yes, it does do 6. Our next item is of course the Katniss. Now what the Katniss does, okay, here Katniss is actually a Hunger Games bow. This bow is very powerful. It releases an arrow on fire. Same durability as a regular bow, but still super good. Let's try to shoot a sheep, even though look at that amount of damage. Okay, let's try shooting this chicken. Yeah, 8 damage. It's really high. Yeah, round target, and yeah, that's what Katniss is about. Now let's do the butter ink sack. But I'm gonna save that for later because it's just something crazy. So I'm gonna look at the anti-power move first. And if you hit a mob with this item, it will either spawn a lightning bolt on it, spawn arrows above it, give it a random humming, exploded, stuff like that. So let's test that out. We find ourselves a mob. Right, we can actually find a mob. Here we go, there's a bunch of chickens here. What happened? We hit it. Yep. Right, I'm gonna be spawning some pigs in. Pigs, so they'll actually run away. So I'm gonna spawn a bunch of pigs here. And I'll show you what it is. See? 1,000 arrows fall. Giant explosion. Zombie pigmen suddenly appear. No idea why that happens. There's like 1,000 zombie pigmen after me. And congratulations, I now have to. Holy crap, I'm the leader. Okay, we gotta get rid of this now because it's getting a bit messed up. So I'm going back to normal. Okay, that's just getting annoying. move on to our last item, which is the butter ink sac. Now to craft the butter ink sac, you need gold. So free, and top right corner, you get the butter ink sac. Now this is insanity. This is what happens when you eat butter ink sac. Everything goes crazy. Look at how many abilities you have. And if I show you, I'll go to game mode 0, and look how much health I have. Unbelievable. I could just run away from these crazy Pikmin. Unbelievable. So I'm gonna go back to game mode 1 and see. Okay, I'm back guys. So since we didn't do really much, I'm gonna let you see some more stuff. So this is the wheat lion's claw, and you find it still hasn't run out. It's getting annoying. Now use this, you hit a mob claw. So spawn 2 pigs. Oh dear, the butter is really annoying. I'm gonna get some milk. Might need it. Okay. There, now it's back to normal. Hit claw. So basically, there's a screen left click and right click. And right click. So it's basically a normal weapon, except you can claw, and there's a high critical chance. So that's pretty much better actually. Blue Monkey's gun, you need just ingots, and I have no idea what this is. Gun comes from Blue Monkey. Okay. Banana, the gun when right click shoots up bananas, bananas descend damage. Shooting with a banana takes out one durability. This lately bananas do shot hang an entity with the gun does about 6 damage. Has the durability of an iron sword. So take a look at his gun. Just let me try to look for it. Here's banana gun. Find those pigs and right click and shoot bananas. Oh dear. It's really annoying sometimes. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So I am mad. So this is Minecraft Universe's hand. You need ender pearls, 4 of his ingots. You get these ingots, specific character ingots by killing the mobs, and you need 1 TNT, and you have the hand. Now the hand is one of my favorite items in this mod. This is the reason. You just right click, boom. Look at that. I'm glitched in one spot. Guys, let me pause the video. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry about just now, but it was lagging like crazy. One of the bugs of this mod. So as I said, if you right click, look at those explosions. Beautiful. Charm some pigs. Stand back. And that's like instant death. My accuracy is so bad. So that's basically what this. Absolutely love it for me. And now I'll show you Promising Endurance, which projectile does 10 damage. Not really exactly my favorite thing. And Deadlock's ultimate tool. And basically what this is yeah, it's basically every tool in the game. So if I do this, it works as a sword, works as an axe, and when you dig, find stuff, goes wait, because then creative mode, we go survival mode, game mode 0. So you can see when I dig how efficient it is. Overall, I think it's really good, and that's about it. So that's really all you can do with the mining pick. Zeptinum box, bongs bow. This shoots 5 arrows at once. So basically what this does is show an example. Pick, show in the sky. You can see there's actually 5 arrows coming up. This is a specific item, Husky Mudkip's Hydro Pump. When right click, it will shoot a large projectile. When hit, it will also do about 20 damage, 800. And if you kill Husky Mudkips, you will get a Hydro Pump first. So as you can see, that explosion was also a bit too much for me. You could say it's something like an atomic bomb, I'll say. Now, I'm not going to be concentrating on this crafting recipes anymore because that's all it says. So, I'm going to be showing you some of the other things. Now, this is one of the highlights. Okay, right. So this is the Husky Mudkips TNT. Get some flint and steel. Now you're thinking, what's so good about this TNT? I mean, it looks normal. Just wait till you see. Right, when I come back out, look at the destruction that thing did. Look at that. Unbelievable. It's one of the special items. Let's move on. This is Sky Sword. This axis doesn't have anything. They all have a specific function, or you could say special ability. Oh, I nearly forgot Emmy's jetpack. Space is to fly up, so use this. Go game mode 0. As you can see, I'm wearing the jetpack, and that's what I can do. I have to give it 1. I'm gonna get all the swords for you to see. Spooky boots. Actually, really all this has. And this is Beijing Canadians tornado attack. So if you hold right click, I don't think, man, it may be malfunctioning. I don't know. Oh, wait. Yep, I guess it is malfunctioning. So I'm gonna take a look at the swords now and see what the swords can do. It's Minecraft Universe, Sunday, Infinity Roll, and there's the Mitch. Husky Mudkips. And then there's I'm gonna gonna skip these and team crafter armor because I ain't got time for that. I have no idea how to spot the let's try Sky Sword. No sword, but if you right click, look at that. Explosions. So that's it. The Dark Sword is right click for pickaxe. So that's all it is actually. But pickaxe. So that's all it is. But when we transform back, okay, what just happened? Yeah, okay. So it's all that has to the sword. Nothing special. And I'm gonna end this episode here. Thanks for watching guys, bye.